Hi friend, and welcome to my online class. The title of this course will be on Of Skies and Clouds. So in this class, I'll be showing you how to master two different techniques on how to paint both the sky and the clouds. Once you get comfortable with these techniques, we can then move on to paint separate projects that I've created specially for you. At this stage, I'll be guiding you on how to apply the techniques that we've learned earlier to each of these projects. These projects come in different types of landscapes, which includes landscapes with palm trees, landscape with a lighthouse, landscapes on lake view, and landscapes with a harbor view. We will be going through step by step on how to paint the background, which are the skies and the clouds. And to complete the painting, I'll be showing you how to paint the foregrounds, which are the landscapes of this project. When you have completed the full class, you'll know how to create contrasting colors for a sunset sky. You'll know how to create background and foreground to create depth in a painting. And also you'll know how to create shadows and highlights in the clouds and also in the landscape. Most importantly is that you'll be able to paint any skies, whether it's a sunrise, daytime, or even a sunset. So let's get started and I'll see you in class.